Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the tickets on Ticketmaster Fast in 2026. Now, if the tickets always sell out before you can check out, these real steps will help you move quicker and avoid the common mistakes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to prepare your account before sale time. So in order to do it, first of all, come here on ticketmaster.com. Over here, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now make sure that you are doing all of these steps 15 minutes before you are going to purchase the ticket. So here on this page, click on the option of My Account. Now in the My Account section, you just have to go to the settings. In your settings, you just have to look for the option of payments. So as you can see, the payments option available in my profile. So here, click on the option of the billing information. Now, as soon as you click on the option of billing information, it is going to redirect you inside your profile where you are going to see all of the payment method option. So here you just have to simply click on this save new payment method. Now you need to save your card details. You need to also add your billing address, and this is going to save you precious time during checkout. Now you need to come back here on the home page. Then you need to simply open your event page early. You can either look for the event in the search bar or on the home page itself. It is going to show you all of the trending and upcoming events. So here, let's say you are looking for Harry Styles event. So after clicking on it, you just have to basically search for your concert game and you need to stay on the page. About 10 minutes before the sale time, simply join the waiting room when it appears. Just do not refresh once you are inside. So when you enter the queue, it's your turn. Select the tickets quickly and you need to choose the available best available instead of picking the exact seats. It is going to be much faster. So after selection, simply go straight to the checkout page. Now you just have to complete your payment details immediately. Since your card is already saved, just confirm and place the order. So this is where most of the people lose time. So here are some of the extra tips that I want to give you that are going to help you a lot. Like, you can close any of the browser tabs. So as you can see, I currently have only one browser available. So make sure that you are also using only one tab in your browser and you haven't opened multiple web browsers. If you are using VPN or proxies, make sure that these are turned off. Always use the strong internet connection and don't switch the devices between or in the mid checkout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.